Good morning, guys. Today is December 1st, 2021. Start of the whole new month. And let's go ahead and get into this video today. So, and as you can see of the title, I have blown my Quotex account. Kind of feel ashamed because y'all guys seen the video yesterday, and I just want to tell them, this is what I'm talking about. My risk management is just extremely horrible, and I can't believe I did this off video. As you can see, my live account says 19 cents because I was trading that session, and as you can see, it was just bad. It was just a bad session, so I just wanted to try to make my money back by increasing it, end up winning, then losing, then end up winning, then end up losing, blowing the account. And yeah, that's the story on that. I'm very disappointed in myself. I can't believe I did this. And like I said, this channel was supposed to help me grow, but also help me grow as a forex trader too. And that's why I also think this is a part of the main channel. And I feel like me blowing my account and me a little bit looking back on these videos will help me recognize what type of trader I was and what type of trader I will be in the future. So the challenge isn't over, just not right now. Not until I either refund the account or something. I haven't really decided yet what I want to do with Quotex. But until that decision happens, that part of the video session is not be happening right now. So we're just gonna go ahead and talk about a few trades that I have entered from yesterday. If you want to know what those trades were, go ahead and check out my free Telegram in the description tomorrow. Free Telegram description in the description, and join to see my trades that I'm taking live in real action, live account, as y'all see right here, live account, keeping it real with you guys, right? So still in this Aussie New Zealand dollar trade, things are starting to kind of pushing down. We kind of still holding this support level around the 1.04284 level, but generally prices are pushing down, starting to look real good in the pound. I mean, yeah, in the Australian dollar. If we could start to maybe break this level and start to really get back down into here, then I'll start to move stops to break even. For right now, nothing's really valid. I mean, like I said, we're only up $4. We're only up like maybe 35 pips, so it's not nothing too drastic on that trade. New trade alert. We have the British pound azale. Is it this one? We have a British pound Swiss franc, going in for a long trade against the Swiss franc. If we go out and look on the daily chart, the pound has been selling off, as you can see, creating this tight flag wedge pattern. And this could be a false breakout. I do see it's like fell down into this support zone. So I would like to see us continue back up, because we were down and we were down here, created a new low, we staggered, we pushed up, we came back down, and now I do see maybe a continuing push in the pound technical reasons. So I am entered long pound Swiss franc. Now I am short pound New Zealand dollar, which I just need to be, risk off currency. I just need to have something against the pound, even though I'm very bullish. Like I said, this trade is not really working out for me, which is cool, because as you go see later in the video, later in my other trades, I do have, I do have some long and short positions going against each other. With the pound, like I said, we are short just because, like I said, we're following the trend. We're following the trend right here, and on this, at least in this pair. Well, this pair is not really a trend trade. More like I said, we've been really like in this range bound for the last years. Just price just been ping ponging up and down. But recently, On the daily we've been creating higher highs. I mean higher lows, lower highs, higher low, higher low, lower high, right? Or lower low, and this could be the higher low, right? Since we can't really seem to get back up there. Like I said, I do have a small position, so I'm not. So I want to get out very quickly. If this trade does turn around, we do have pound Australian dollar, which is still looking pretty good today. If we hop down to a 4 hour chart, decided to go long on the pound Australian because we started. Like I said, we broke out, created a new upper high, canceling this one, make a new lower low. We coming up. We coming back down into this support level, as you can see. 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3 bounce, 4 bounce, 5 bounce. So I did enter a long position at this level, and seems like the position is working out pretty good. Tight. I said everything's very tight. Stop losses with the pound. Things are pushing up. You may be able to get it around here. Like I said, I don't have no type of take profit. I just use a trailing stop just so I can catch as much as the move as I can, and then when the move is over, I want to get out, or maybe if I end up getting out, I want to look for a re-entry if I do believe the move still happen. And then so for the final trade we're talking about is the USD Swiss franc. I do end up seeing some pressure coming down from the USD dollar just in general off a strong rally, and we'll continue to keep monitoring this trade. Like I said, the dollar is very strong, very strong against all different type of currencies because the U.S. with all this inflation and COVID stimulus and pushing the dollar out, and now they're talking about slowing down and raising interest rates and everything. So things are starting to push up. But those are pretty much everything that I am looking at today, guys. So I will get out of here. My name is Dwayne, and see y'all guys later.